Good afternoon, YouTube family and friends. Happy Sunday. It's me, Bridget, from Bridget and Justin, starting from scratch. I just wanted to come on and say hello and see how you guys are doing. Justin and I are taking a nice little walk. And say hi, baby. Say hi. You saying hello? Good job. Good job. Good job, sweetheart. That's a hello. So I hope everybody's doing good today. Yeah, we are gonna get on a little bit later. And I hope to see you guys later. We'll see you guys in a bit. Have a good Sunday.